Hey guys, we're gonna make some bread today. We're gonna only use 4 ingredients, lock and loaded the 4 ingredients. So, first off, we got the scale. It's gonna make you have less dishes. Ways to use. You just need a bowl and your scale. So we got this bowl. First off, we're gonna put 175 grams of water in here. There we go, 175 in there, exactly. Well, it can be rough. Bread's a bit of science, but being a couple grams off, that's why doing a scale is the best. If you have cups or whatever, it's going to be off by like 10, 15 grams. That's where you are playing with it a little bit more. And then, so you want so you got 175 grams of water in there. Now you want to liven up with the yeast. You got 5 grams. You're gonna put 5 grams in there. Careful with 5 grams. So we got 5 grams of yeast in there. Now, we don't want to put the salt in there because it's the higher chance of killing the yeast that we've now put in this bowl. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 250 grams started weighed in the bowl. Now we're going to put our salt in. We put this away, it's done over with. So we can tear the scale off again. It's important to tear the scale off before you put your ingredients in. So I'm going to put 5 grams of salt in here, not butter. And boom, that's for flavor. Salt is flavor. If we did put butter in there, it would make it more soft, texture, like brioche has more fat in there. So now we can remove everything, turn off our scale, and remove everything to our back counter here. And nice and easy, we take this, we stir it. Stir, 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 stir. And right now it's like, pick the phone, you could call, whatever, our hands aren't dirty yet, and that's why we use this beautiful pastry scraper. Keep it going together, combine, like now, like, look at that. It's still like floury and wet, but if we keep stirring and hydrate it, it's gonna become a nice moist dough. And if you prefer, you can get your hand in there, but you don't really need to. You're just gonna get your hands more dirty and floury, and we don't really need to do that at this stage. So we got our dough here, and it's like pretty good together. So I'm gonna take it off this bench scraper. We're gonna put it right on the counter like that. Nice and easy, scrape out all the excess flour. Boom, look at that. It's pretty shaggy still, as you can see. So now we're gonna put it together and we're gonna just work it a bit. So we're gonna put that to the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work this in, almost like knead it, but we'll just work it together so it gets fully hydrated. Just work it and see how it's like. It's a little bit on my hands, but it's all good. So now we're gonna get it till there's no flour on this counter. We're not really trying to work gluten here, so we're gonna do it later on. And I'm bringing all the flour back in, so we're not wasting any. So now we're just kind of like putting in different spots to pick up all the flour, and it's like almost one shape now, and there's still flour on the counter. So we're gonna pick that all up. It's basically one ball in shape. And see, I'm kind of like pushing it and bringing it in, and that's gonna help start structure of it happening. But now it's just one ball, like whatever. So now, simple. I'm just gonna put it on the counter like that. You can, you got flour hands, don't want to waste any of that dough. You can scrape it out, go along kind of like this. Now we're just gonna like this, have it there. We're gonna rest it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and do stretch and fold. We're gonna do that 3 to 4 times. So we're just on our counter, the bowl was over covering it so it didn't dry out too much. And this dough is about 70% hydrated, which is gonna help. The more hydrated it is, the better. The easier it's gonna stretch and fold. So the idea is to build structure. So basically, it's not that wet. It's a little sticky, but if you have trouble, you can use the pastry scraper. But I turn it out, slap it like that, make it flat, and it's sticky. See? So I can use my pastry scraper, go over about 2/3. Doesn't really matter too much, and you want to stretch it over again, the other side. You do it 4 times this way, and then stretch it over the other side, and then stretch it over the other side. And then what I do is I bring it in like this every time. And so that's 1 time. And then what you want to do is just bring it together a bit to help it come together, encourage it to come together, and then boom. Just like that. Cover it up again and do that 3 more times, and we'll be on proofing. I'm back in the kitchen today after the bulk fermentation. I did 3 folds. So, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna shape it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we're gonna slap it down, we're gonna scrape it. And so now what you can do to shape it too is you can get a little bit of water on your hands, and it will help the dough from not stick. Spread it out, fold it into one side, then fold it into the other side, smash out that air, and then when you go do it, crease it and put your hand down into it to make a nice lovely shape going into it. And see how I'm going in, pressing, smashing out there, and then when I'm about that far into it, there's a little crease there and a little flab still. I'm gonna bring it down all the way into it so the 2 seams are together and like that. So now I'm gonna bring it back in and tighten up that seam of the loaf and the sides. And now roll it out a little bit, and boom, it's ready for. See, there's that crease there. Maybe it's a bit big right now, so I can go in, lighten up the crease, and boom, now we can roll it out and we can proof it. And for like an hour and a half, and I'll show you when and how to proof it. Oh, it's doubled in size and proof, and you can tell by pushing it in. And see how there's an indent? Like, you don't want to do it that much, but like, say on this side, you have it right, and you push it in, and it kind of comes back on you. That's where about you want it. And then what you want to do is score it just before baking like this. And the deep, if you want, if it's underproofed, you want deep incisions, and if it's overproofed, you want little incisions to get less deflation. Well, thanks for popping by and learn how to make this beautiful loaf.